Hello, welcome to Furniture Clinic. In this video, we're going to show you how to restore faded leather using the leather recoloring balm. The leather recoloring balm can be used to fix scuffs, scratches and fading on furniture, car seats, clothing and all other items of leather. The balm soaks into leather to work, so before purchasing any, you should check to see if your leather is absorbent. This is done by putting a small drop of water onto the leather to see if it soaks in. After cleaning the leather, dip the cloth into the balm and rub it into the leather in a circular motion. We have other video guides showing you how to clean leather, which is an important step as it helps the balm penetrate into the leather. As you can see happening, the balm instantly soaks into the leather, restoring the colour. The balm is available in 21 different colours, with each colour being suitable to restore similar shades of leather. You do not need an exact match. This cushion best matched our dark brown balm when we compared it to our colour chart. The same colour brown is also capable of restoring the colour to lighter and darker shades of brown, as the more applications you apply, the darker the product becomes. The whole area can be treated in the same way, but the balm only recolours damaged areas, so you don't need to worry about it affecting the rest of your leather. It simply wipes off areas of leather that are not damaged, blending in perfectly. The balm will also feed and soften the leather, making it look and feel softer, smoother and full of life again. A 250ml tub is enough to restore the colour to a 3-piece suite, and once coloured it should last for years. Once the leather has been recoloured, leave it for 5 minutes to dry and then buff the leather over with a clean cloth. Any excess balm will be wiped away with the first buffing, so turn to a clean piece of cloth and buff again to remove the remainder of the colour. Once properly buffed, the balm is totally colour fast and would never rub off onto clothes. To help keep your leather in better condition for longer, you should then apply the leather protection cream, which will help prevent staining and reduce fading. You can see in this video how simply we've been able to transform this old and worn cushion into a respectable piece of furniture again.